Alright babies, so jumping right into this video, here I am in all my glory. Ooh, let's get it together. So first you're going to need your hair glue, and you're also going to need your hair glue protection. As you all know, if you're returning, what's up baby cakes? Y'all already know, don't do your quick weaves without this. Please don't, it's going to save your hair. Definitely going to need some got-to-be hairspray or whatever hairspray of your choice. A wig cap, this is our second layer of protection. And definitely going to need this Murray's black beeswax. Make sure you get the black kind, sis. It's going to make your edges look fuller. It's just going to make your hair look fuller. So get the black kind. We like fullness. Get it. I tell you, it's going to save your life. So now we're going to get off with sectioning off our hair, y'all. This hairstyle is so easy, so quick, so fast, so simple. Literally all you doing is just sectioning off the front of your hair. And this part depends on however much hair you want out, how high you want your ponytail. I am one of mine sitting directly on top of my head, like Coming to America, whatever it is you like vibes. So I'm going to leave a lot of my hair out. Well, not a lot. I'm going to section off a lot of my hair, straighten it to get it straight as I possibly can. And then we're going to go in to start to lay down a ponytail. So with the beeswax, you want to take your beeswax, get your can of hairspray and have it close by as well. But you want to start off, obviously, blow drying your hair out straight, get it as straight as you can. You straighten it with the flat iron if you need to. And then we're going to go in with a nice thick slather of that beeswax and just brush and smooth that in all over your hair. And then we're going to go in, once we get it smoothed into where we want our ponytail to sit at, we're going to go in and set that with the hairspray. So you saw me spray a nice big thick layer of that hairspray onto that one area on my head. And I'm smoothing that in with my comb, my fingers, my hands, making sure it's nice and smooth. And then you're going to see me grab my blow dryer and dry it and smooth it as well. So I'm going to repeat this process and I'm going to let y'all watch it. But you pretty much want to use your beeswax as your molding first. And then you use your hairspray to set it and mold it as well in place. And work in sections. As you can see, I'm working on one side of my hair, smoothing it and then getting my blow dryer and all that stuff. And then once that part gets laid down and stuck and hard and dry, then I'm going to work on the opposite section. And then I'm going to work on that middle section right there in the front. So I'm going to go from temple to right above my forehead. So yeah, y'all, this process is the most hardest part about this hairstyle. And then once you get it sleek and laid down, go ahead and put it in a ponytail. And that is going to stay slick down. So for the back of my head, I'm just going to put my hair into two nice little color purple braids in the back. And then we're going to get right into this hairstyle. We have no hair being left out with this, y'all. So everything's being tucked away. So the hair we're going to be using, this is Organic Hue Water Curl hair, 30 inches, sis. You already know how I feel about 30 inches. I love 30 inches of hair on other people. I feel like I'm so tiny. So when I wear 30 inches, it'd be too much on me. But people say it look cool, but I don't know. Like, I don't know. I love 30 inches on other girls. It looks so good on other women, but I feel like on me it just looks like too much. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and begin on getting this ponytail part together. Now you can do this part before or after. I prefer you to do it before, or do it after because it's easier. But I done did this style so many times, so I was all over the place. So the ponytail that you have up there, if you have like longer hair than me, then you want to go ahead and just wrap the ponytail around itself. If you have shorter hair, then you are definitely already killing the game. You don't even need to do this part. But if you have longer hair, you can just wrap the ponytail around itself. And one trick that I've learned to get these ponytails to stand up straight, because I know sometimes when people do these half up, half down, their ponytails be kind of limping. But to avoid that, you want to make the base of your ponytail as thick as you possibly can make it. And because my hair is kind of long at the top, I can go ahead and do that. If you have shorter hair, you just get some braiding hair and then braid it into your hair and wrap it around. So with this ponytail, y'all, 30 minutes, okay? We're going to take that bundle, going to take a piece of that bundle, and we're going to wrap that bundle piece around our ponytail like you see me doing. Y'all, I'm sorry if y'all hear the lawnmower. Oh my God, they doing freaking, why are y'all out there? Anyways, we're going to take that piece and wrap it around, and then now we're going to take the actual bundle, the weft, and then we're going to wrap that around the base of the ponytail, of our real ponytail. So when you're wrapping this around, you want to make sure that you are stacking the wefts on top of each other as you're wrapping it around, and wrap it around kind of tight. And then to finish off the ponytail, that little piece of hair right there that you see me pointing at with the arrow, we're going to take that and wrap that around the base of the ponytail to cover up our tracks. so it can look how it's looking right there. You see what I'm doing? And then I'm gonna take some hairspray, got to be sprayed right there, and then get my blow dryer to seal that. And this is how the ponytail should look. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the back of my hair, and I'm pretty much going to just spray down the back of my hair with some hairspray. This is act as a layer of protection. Then I'm gonna go in with my cap, and honestly should have put the cap on first and then did this, but I was pressed for time. This is a 30-minute style, so I didn't have, like, if I would have put the cap on first, I would have had to wait for stuff to dry and all kind of other crap. So this literally took me under 30 minutes, but I'm gonna go in with the hairspray, spray it down. Protection, extra layer of protection is the Weave Wonder Wrap. When you're getting ready to remove your protective quick weave, you can just rinse your hair with some warm water until the wefts or the tracks are like completely like removable. And it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for you to just run your head under some warm water, and then the tracks will literally start to slide off. I'm not going to use this because I'm not keeping this hairstyle up that long, so I don't need like that much protection. I'm gonna be taking this down soon, but if you're gonna be keeping your quick weave up for at least a minimum of a week or more, I would suggest you use this. All right, babes, so we're gonna get right into laying down these extensions. Now, what we're gonna do for these extensions to make sure that we don't have to have any hair left out in the back is when we laying these extensions down, you wanna make sure that you're paying attention to your placement. So what I mean by that is when you're placing these extensions on there, you want to place them in a U shape, like I'm demonstrating here on the screen for y'all. So you want to kind of, like I said, place the extensions in a U shape on your head when you're laying them down, and stack each end on top of each other. Doing that will ensure that the wefts are literally like stacked on top of each other to the point to where if one lifts up, if the wind blows, the actual hair is going to be covering up the weft, so you won't be able to see your tracks. And then if you continue to stack them up on top of each other as you get to the top of your head, to the top where the ponytail is, the gap is going to just cover up itself, and then your hair that you have coming down in your ponytail will cover it up, as you can see here in the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I am so sorry for the angles and the lighting. As y'all can see, I'm not at my spot, so I gotta make it do what it do. So anyways, but y'all make sure y'all go ahead and check out this hair, honey. This curl pattern is beautiful. Like, I'm gonna put some mousse on it so it can get a little bit more tamed, because I don't want it this big yet. But yes, y'all see how slick my hair is. This is so cute, so cute, so cute. Yeah, I'm probably gonna cut it because I like a tree, but this is cute though. I will see you guys in the next video. I love y'all, and y'all stay beautiful and stay blessed.